In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore chess openings on chess.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can start learning openings with clear guidance. First, open your web browser and go to chess.com. Give the page a moment to load so all the menus appear properly. If a banner or pop-up shows up, close it so you can see the site's main navigation. You don't need to change any settings for this walkthrough, just make sure the homepage is visible. Now move your mouse to the top menu and hover over the Learn tab. Don't click yet, just hover. This will open a drop-down with learning options. On a phone or tablet, you'll tap the menu icon and then tap Learn instead of hovering. The idea is the same, you're opening the learning tools so you can access the opening section. From that Learn menu, click on Openings. This takes you to the dedicated Openings area, where chess.com organizes material to help you understand common opening moves and ideas. Here you'll usually see a brief description of what the Openings trainer does, along with a big Start button that launches the interactive experience. Click on Start. This opens the openings trainer or lesson flow in a clean interface. You'll see a chessboard, a move list area, and prompts or tips on the side or bottom. The trainer may ask you to play the best move for a certain opening or show you a sequence of moves and then let you try it yourself. The board will usually highlight squares and give feedback so you know when you're on track. Take a moment to read each instruction on the screen before making a move. The prompts explain the purpose behind each choice, things like controlling the center, developing pieces, or preparing castling. If the trainer offers hints or a replay option, use them to reinforce the pattern. Some lessons let you switch between playing as white or black, so if you're practicing a particular defense, make sure the side you're playing matches your goal. If you see options to slow down animations, show move hints, or review the move list, adjust them to a pace that helps you learn without rushing. When the trainer asks you to repeat a sequence, treat it like muscle memory practice. Repeat until it feels natural. When you've finished following the on-screen instructions and the session wraps up, you're done. You can close the trainer or simply return to the openings page if you want to revisit the material. That's all there is to it. Go to chess.com, hover over Learn, click Openings, hit Start, and then read and follow the instructions the trainer provides.